Hey guys, Abs here and welcome to this video. So in this video, I want to go over a few things about our latest software. We've made some updates. I want to take you through those updates. I want to take you over some other awesome things that I wasn't able to share in the last video, but I promise you I'm going to try my best to keep this really quick and on point. So first of all, the competition. I want to thank every single one of you that's actually come along and actually watched the video first of all, because I do appreciate your precious time, and everyone that's actually left a comment down here. Now remember, leaving your comment down here lets you enter inside of our draw to win an enterprise license of our latest software. There's only 95 comments, guys, so the chances of you winning is very high when comparing it to other odds as well. And you know what, if you come and leave a comment, guys, I really do appreciate it. I've read many of your comments down here. They're fantastic comments. Some of them are AI generated, some of them are songs, but you know what, it's really cool stuff, guys, and I really appreciate the feedback that you've given. In fact, after releasing this video, I got speaking to some of you guys, and that's how we come up with one of the updates that I'm going to be taking you through in a moment. So anyway, come along, leave your comment, guys. We haven't chosen the winner yet. Before we go live, we're going to choose a winner. And you know what, if until you don't hear from me, guys, just come along and leave a comment if you haven't already left a comment. And again, I would love to know what you feel about AI. I would love to know what you feel about our software and how you think it can actually help you. In fact, I'm going to take you through some more areas today that I wasn't able to share with you in this video that I think is going to really I think it's going to be something that you're going to really like, because it's something we haven't touched upon. But anyway, let's try and keep this really quick. So first of all, I want to show you a 100k ebook. Okay, so I've actually left this open, guys. It's taken 1 hour and 7 minutes. Look at the time down here. It's 12:16 p.m. in the UK. So in Europe, it's like about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and 3 o'clock. You're really depending on whereabouts in Europe you are. But if you turn around and say it's like 12:1, 2, so it's peak times in Europe. And at this time, I usually find ChatGPT to be fairly slow. And I've created ebooks going through 122 strategies, because that's exactly what this has done. It's gone through 122 strategies. I'll show you that strategy in a moment, and I've done this within like about 47 minutes, guys. Okay, but I've never hit 100k words, and I'm going to show you the 100k words really quickly, and then we're going to go over the ebook as well. So as you can see, I've already pulled it in 100k. 100,554 words, guys. Okay, and this is about personal development. You can still see my keyword inside of here, guys, and this was the delay that I used, and the strategy that I used was, it wasn't actually this strategy. The strategy that I used was, let me just show you really quickly. It was in the Logical Strategies ebook, and I was using the 100 chapter ebook strategy. And as you can see down here, 1 of 122, we got 122 prompts down here that the software done for us in a matter of 1 hour and 7 minutes. I had everything minimized, guys. I was doing other things. In fact, I was working on sales copy for the prompt generator AI, and the software's done this for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you this chat session, guys. I'm going to scroll all the way to the top so you can see exactly how this happened. I've got nothing to hide from you guys. I'm just trying to show you the power of automation. I didn't have to do any of this, and I don't think I would ever even do any of this if I didn't have software, because it's like 122 prompts, and God knows how many times the software has had to click continue as well. Okay, so anyway, this was the chapter, this was the title that gave us Unleashing Your Potential, the Journey to Personal Mastery. If we have a look down here, you can see there as well. Okay, and then we got chapters from it. Okay, so we got topic 1, topic 2, and we got all of these chapters, and all together we got 100 chapters, guys. Okay, I'm scrolling down here to show you the first article, and what we done is we done 10 chapters at a time. Okay, and the reason we done 10 chapters at a time, I'm going to show you in a moment, guys. Okay, because ChatGPT's memory kind of gets a little bit hazy when the chat session gets very long. So what we like to do is, instead of saying, generate 100 titles or 100 chapters, and then we say, now generate an article about chapter 1, now generate an article about chapter 2. By the time you get to like chapter 15 or something, ChatGPT's memory is kind of like vanished. So what we do is we do them in tens, and then what we do is we say, write an in-depth article chapter for the topic 1. Okay, and then we give it from topic 1 all the way to topic 10. And then we do this for the first 10 chapters. And then after the 10th chapter, we go and give it the second topic 20 to topic 30, or however we're doing it in this strategy. This is going to be a strategy that I'm going to be sharing, guys. It's going to be a bonus strategy. Keep a lookout for it. I've got a few bonus strategies that I'm going to share. As mentioned, it's 122 strategies. It wasn't an easy strategy to build, but now I've got it built. I'm creating ebook after ebook after ebook, and you know what? I'm going to share it with you guys so that you guys can do the same as well. So anyway, you can see on every prompt that we send ChatGPT, we're also sending it our topics as well. And this is how we're able to keep our ebooks on topic and really, really nice. I mean, check this out. Creating smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals. This is brilliant stuff, guys. Okay, all about personal development. Something that, you know what, I think I'm going to probably take out a bit of time to read as well, because it's probably good stuff. And the way ChatGPT works, I know it works well as well. Okay, anyway, let me go over to in fact, what I'll do, I'll actually click on this arrow here so that we can see this go down, and you can see the amount of prompts and how how many things that we've done down here. Okay, so anyway, you can see down here, we'll actually have a read down here. Throughout this ebook, we have explored a wide range of topics related to personal development. Now I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Okay, you can probably see all these chapters coming down here as well, guys, if I scroll through them slowly. And you can see everything's nicely styled for us as well. So we can just pass this over to our VA, a VA that styles ebooks or something, and it'll do nicely for us. Okay, so anyway, throughout this ebook, we have explored a wide range of topics related to personal development, from active listening and effective communication to vulnerability, creativity, and reflection. Each topic has contributed to our understanding of personal growth and transformation. We have learned that personal development is not a destination, but a lifelong journey. It requires self-reflection, self-awareness, and the willingness to embrace challenges, failures, and vulnerabilities. It's a really good ebook, guys. That's all I'm going to say to you. Okay, there's going to be a little bit of cleaning up to do. So for example, things like this, you might want to clean up. In fact, I'm going to speak to our developer to see if we can take some of these things out and scan for them. And if we find them in here, then we can remove them, because as you can see, we're getting them almost after every chapter. So it's not going to be a hard thing for us to actually work on cleaning things up now. So anyway, what I'm going to do is show you something else that I like to do. And I'm going to share this ebook with you as well, guys, so that you can actually see what's actually happened, what the software has done for us. Okay, I'm going to actually delete these chapters here, guys. Okay, and you can actually see we're getting chapters 10 at a time, because we actually send these to ChatGPT 10 at a time as well. And we do this to make sure that all of our chapters can stay on topic, and ChatGPT doesn't have to keep going through memory loss to try and make things up. So anyway, I've deleted all that, and you might be thinking, Abs, why have you deleted that? And the reason I'm deleting that is because I like to add a table of contents using the software. So I'm going to go over to Insert, and I'm going to go over to Table of Contents. And what this does, this now puts a nice table of contents for us. There is something that I've actually noticed in here, because I've done this, I was doing this and playing with this before I actually before I made this video, but I didn't delete, I didn't do anything with ChatGPT. As you can see, it's all, you got the timing and everything there. But what I noticed was how I can refine the prompt even better to make sure that we get chapter titles. Okay, so what we got down here is, what you'll notice is we've got chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. And then ChatGPT, it was doing everything for us on the topics, but it wasn't writing Chapter 5, the power of cultivating positive habits. Chapter 6, the importance of time management and productivity. Chapter 7, understanding emotional intelligence and building relationship skills. So it missed out a few chapter names, and then it got back on, and it started to go on topic 12, topic 13, topic 14, okay, topic 16, topic 15, sorry, topic 16, topic 17, topic 18, and then if you come down here, I saw that it was starting to do chapters as well. Chapter 43, chapter 42, chapter 41. So some of them it was calling chapters, some of them it was calling topics, some of them it didn't even add. Now I've ran this strategy multiple times, because the idea about working with strategies is you fine-tune those strategies so that you can get results that are duplicatable with other keywords or over and over again. So I've ran this strategy multiple times, and every time I've had chapter numbers, but this time it's missed out a few, guys. So I'm going to refine this. It's going to be very easy for us to refine the prompt. All we have to do is just say include the chapter names or the chapter or the topic names inside of the article title, and then it'll make sure that it does it for us. But anyway, I'll leave this here for you guys as is without me making any more changes. I'm going to actually save this over right now. I'm going to save it as a HTML file, guys. It's not going to look good. I'm going to tell you now because it's just a standard basic HTML file so that you guys can view it. We'll do .html. In fact, I'll open it up in front of you as well now. I do apologize again about the time. I do carry on, don't I? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to open this up really quickly, and I'm going to go over to Firefox. And as you can see down here, we've got all of these down here. Now let's just say I wanted to go to topic 17. I'll click on here, guys. I'm on topic 17. Now if you have a look down here, some of these look like they're only one line sentences, but don't forget this is using a massive width, guys, okay, because there's no styling in here. If I minimize it, as you can see, it's a nice article. So we've got a nice article for each topic. I'm going to share this with you guys. You can go over it and you can make your own decision on what you feel about this, but I just wanted to show you not only once, but you know what, I've got multiple articles down here. So I've got one down here for blockchain, this one on blockchain, this was 87,000 words, guys. This was also created today, by the way. I can actually show you this down here. Blockchain guide. Here you go. That was my one before there, guys. Let it come up and you'll be able to see this one as well. Okay, again, hundreds and hundreds of prompts, 122 prompts, guys. You know, not hundreds and hundreds, but it's 122 prompts that's doing it. I'll show you some more. I'll show you some more ebooks that we've got down here as well. I've got one down here for. Let's have a look. Here we go. How to train and care for your parrot. Okay, feathers and friendship, mastering the art of parrot training and care. This one was 64,268 or whatever words, guys. You know, you can pop these out like hotcakes. They're just really easy to work with, guys. Okay, so this one is parenting, how to raise your children. This was a really nice ebook that I actually created. From diapers to diplomas, mastering parenthood with style and grace. And this one was 79,000 words, guys. Okay, so generating content like this, very nice content, is very easy when it comes working with ChatGPT and automation with prompt generator AI. So anyway, let me go over to the next one and I want to show you. So roles, guys. So one thing that we didn't have in the software was working with roles. So what we had to do is, let's say for example we're working with a keyword research strategy. So if I have a look at, let me have a look to see if I can find a keyword research strategy where I can show you what I mean. Here we go. Keywords based on intent. Let me show you what I do in this one. Okay, so I'm saying down here, you are a keyword research specialist that specializes in lead generation, digital marketing, customer relationship management, and sales. Your understanding of keywords based on a searcher's level of engagement and readiness to make a purchase is extensive. So I'm giving it details. This really is known as a role. Okay, so what you can do now is now you can actually have roles separately. You can create these roles and then you can assign them to any strategy, or you can select them before you run any strategy. So I've got a role down here for content writer. Okay, I've got a role down here for keyword research. I've got a role down here for email copywriter. You can add as many roles in here as you like. In fact, you could use these as in the tone of, so you know what, if you wanted to write something in the tone of I don't know, Tom Hanks, then you could just add, you know what, use it as the tone of Tom Hanks. And then whenever you run a strategy, all you have to do is select that you want to use a role and then select the role down here. If you don't want to use a role, you don't have to. Just uncheck the checkbox not to select it, and it will go ahead and do that for you. So this is a big improvement, guys, because now what you can do is there's other keyword research strategies. So for example, if I have a look at this keyword research strategy down here, keyword research from website, for it. No, let's do another one. Long tail keywords and data. Let's do this one. Okay, let's do this one. Let's see what this one is. Okay, so all I'm saying down here is I'm saying create a list of 30 long tail keywords related to the keyword, my keyword, long tail keywords. And I'm saying for each long tail keywords, add the monthly search volume and what have you and what have you. I'm not giving it a role. So what I can do to get even optimum results from this is now select a keyword research role and then perform the keyword research strategy, which is absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay, so you don't have to add your roles inside of your strategies. What this allows you to then do is run strategies against multiple different roles and compare the outcome. So you might have somebody who's a copywriter specialist versus somebody who's a journalist specialist, for example, and then you might want to create content and see which one's better out of the two. So anyway, this now allows you that sophistication. It now allows you this control, guys, and it's sophisticated enough to do that. Okay, let me just show you something down here, guys. I actually created I wanted to show you how people who provide SEO services, people that look to email clients and want to go out and find prospect clients, how you can use this to create some really fantastic emails. Okay, to highlight this and show you this, I'm going to go over to Google. I'm going to type in locksmith Peterborough, sorry. Okay, we'll go down here and we'll see this website down here. Okay, this is benlockandsafe.co.uk. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this URL, guys. Okay, I'm going to go over to Chat AI and I'm going to go over to automation and I'm going to use the logical strategy and I'm going to add this URL inside of here. Okay, and I'm going to click on save and now I'm going to select my strategy. My strategy down here is an email strategy. Where are we? Email. Okay, and this is prospect email from URL. And all I need to do in this is add the business details and a crawl. So I've actually got some business details down here. I'm going to select big SEO. I'm going to quickly show you what I've got for big SEO, guys. Oops, I can't even see it down here, unfortunately. So I'm going to have to ask our developer to take a look into that, guys. But anyway, I've got a strategy down here for big SEO, and big SEO provides some details about my business. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and reduce this delay. And I'm going to go ahead and click on start. Okay, so what's happening here? It's crawling the website first. Okay, oh no, what have I done? Yes, no, it's totally fine. It's totally fine. Okay, so it actually does a couple of things, guys. I'm not going to take you through what it's doing. In fact, we're going to have a look at the final thing to understand exactly what it's done. Okay, I just want to make sure it's brought up my stuff about big SEO techniques. Okay, here we go. Name, big SEO techniques, specialty SEO website design. You can see this is my business details that I actually gave it. Okay, so I'm just saying specialty SEO website design, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, social media marketing, other details, services, are custom to the business's needs, provides SEO services for over 10 years, have helped thousands of websites achieve better rankings based in the UK and results orientated. This is the only thing that I provide about my details, and then I gave it the email or the URL. Now I'm going to go over to the editor. I'm going to import that email down here. Okay, so here we go, Ben Lock and Safe. Let's see what it's written for us. Okay, so it's saying subject, enhancing your security solutions with Ben Lock and Safe. Okay, so saying, dear business name, I hope this email finds you well. I recently came across your esteemed business, Ben Lock and Safe, and I was impressed by the exceptional services you provide in the locksmith and security industry. It is evident that your commitment to rapid response, quality, workmanship, and customer satisfaction sets you apart from the competition. So check this out. We're bigging up Ben Lock and Safe. Okay, and then we're going on to tell him about my company now. And we only give him a little bit of detail. You saw what I gave it. At Big SEO Techniques, we specialize in SEO website design, on-page and off-page SEO and social media marketing with over 10 years experience. Okay, and I'm saying we've helped numerous businesses like yours achieve remarkable online visibility and increased rankings. Our custom tailored whatever. Okay, so now it's saying, as I delved into the details of your services, I recognize the utmost importance of security and protection for your clients. Okay, by strategically aligning our services with your business, we can further enhance the exceptional results you deliver. Our expertise in search engine optimization and digital marketing can effectively complement your existing efforts, allowing you to reach a wider audience. So now we're saying, you know what, we recognize the security and protection that you have for your clients, and using our services or aligning your services with our services, we can get you even better results. Okay, by leveraging our proven SEO techniques, we can help you optimize your website, improve your search engine optimization rankings, and attract more potential customers seeking reliable, check this out, seeking reliable locksmith and security solutions. Our comprehensive approach focuses on targeted traffic, whatever. Okay, what sets us apart is our dedication to delivering results. We understand the value of your time and investment, and our team of experienced professionals. Okay, check this out, guys. I noticed the positive reviews and commendations you have received from satisfied customers. It is a testament to your exceptional service and dedication. Our goal is to complement your commitment to excellence by ensuring your online presence reflects the same level of professionalism and trust that you provide in in person. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how we can collaborate to take your business to new heights. Okay, and thank you for your time, and I look forward to the possibility of working together to enhance your security solutions. I just wanted to share this with you guys, because if I was going, you know what, I used to run a SEO company, and my SEO company was actually big SEO techniques, guys. Okay, I've never let go of the actual domain, even though there was nothing on there that, after a certain while. Now, I used to have multiple clients, and I used to email clients as well, guys. And one of the things that, one of the biggest problems or the time consuming parts was to actually make the email tailored to that client. What you can do now, guys, is you can literally go over to automation and you can list multiple URLs one at a time. Okay, as many URLs as you like. Tell the software how many times you want to do it, and it's going to go through each one of the URLs, run it through this strategy, which means it's going to go visit the URL, take the content, feed that content to ChatGPT. If the content is too large, it'll automatically manage that for you as well. And then it's going to go ahead and create a real nice email that is tailored to the actual website, that looks like it's been sent from somebody who's taken their time to actually come out with them details. And in fact, it, you know what, it aligns our services with their services in such a nice way. It's because of the way that I actually created the prompt, and I'm going to share this as one of the bonus prompts with you as well, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to show that to you as well. Okay, I've actually created one more strategy, guys. It's called the Amazon strategy. I don't know if we got a lot of time, so anyway, I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to show it to you guys. I haven't even tested it. I actually created this just a moment ago. We're gonna test it together, guys. So I tested it manually in Google Bard and ChatGPT. Now we can go ahead and test it together to see what it can do. So anyway, let me go over to normal, and it was affiliates, and it was and it was the Amazon 5 bestseller. And here's a strategy. So I'm asking Bard to list the 5 best sellers for my keyword, okay, and on Amazon, and then I'm telling it to provide details for those things, and then I'm going over to ChatGPT and getting multiple parts. So it's an 8-prompt strategy, guys. Might take a little bit of time, but anyway, let's go ahead and see what we can do. So I'll do monitors. Okay, so that's what we're doing, and I think we're ready to go. I'll minimize this quickly. Click on start. Okay, so first of all, we're going over to Bard, and we're asking Bard to give us, oh no, you know what, let me quickly click stop. Okay, I've just realized something, guys. So it's saying down here, your keyword research specialist with many skills. So basically, even though we haven't got this checked, the role is adding the role in there, guys. So I'm going to let our developer know about this, guys, but it shouldn't be adding that role in there. So I'm just going to check it on NA, and then we're going to start again. But before I start again, I'm going to go over to reset chat. And what we'll do is we'll start it again, but with NA this time. Okay, so here we go. So anyway, we're on Bard, and it's going to add our prompt to Bard, and it's going to ask Bard to give us the 5 best-selling monitors from Amazon, because we've asked it for monitors. Okay, so it's giving us 5 best monitors Oops, I wasn't able to scroll down because the system deleted it. Okay, now it's saying provide details for each one and if possible rank them in order of popularity based on reviews. Now the reason I've done this, guys, in this prompt is because ChatGPT is not going to have a lot of the information, especially if these are new monitors that have been released recently. So I haven't even tested this, guys. Okay, but first of all, we're going on to this one here. Okay, and it's giving a bunch of details about it, and then we're going on with the second prompt now, and this time is for the Dell S7 whatever. So basically, guys, while this is going through, let me explain what's happening. We're going over to ChatGPT and we're just getting it to list us the best whatever in the Amazon categories. So we now know that these products are being sold on Amazon. Okay, and then we're getting the details from Bard, and then we're going over to ChatGPT and we're creating articles about these 5 products, and then right at the end we're going to do a comparison article with all 5 products as well. In fact, the way this is being written by ChatGPT, I've told it to write an article in 6 parts. The first 5 parts are going to be the 5 top best-selling products, and the final part is going to be a comparison of them all as well. Okay, so I think it's got one more to do after this, or this is the comparison one. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is the one. Now it's going to write the comparison with all of them. So the comparison of them all now, guys. Okay, so there you go. You got the Acer, you got the Dell, you got the LG, you got the Samsung, you got the Asus, and then you got making the right choice. Okay, and let's click continue as well. Happy gaming. Okay, so now, guys, all we have to do is go ahead and put our Amazon links onto this, guys. Okay, so this was just one thing that I wanted to show to you. This is actually a 2,827 word article. Beautiful stuff. This is how the power of ChatGPT and Google Bard can be perceived and can be used, guys. Okay, and this can be done about trends and anything, guys. And you know what, you see this strategy already. You know, we got strategies in here that work with over 100 prompts without any issues whatsoever, guys. You can go ahead and make your own strategies and you can get really creative with this. But anyway, guys, when do we go live? We did plan to go live this week. We are adding some more features inside of here. Obviously, I just showed you a couple of the features that we've added inside of here as well. We've made some enhancements in the back end as well. So we're planning to actually go live next week now. So keep a lookout for our emails. If you haven't already left a comment, then please do come along and leave us a comment, because you will get a chance to win one of the enterprise licenses. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video.